Hey guys, Young here. So today I'd like to share with you guys on a phenomena that I just saw that I'd like to address and highlight to you guys. Alright, so this thing is that we are all actually very trained. By the way, the screen has nothing to do with any of what I'm going to say because I couldn't find any better background, so I'm using this screen. Alright, so anyway, the thing I'd like to share is that over the years, we have learned a few stuff about commissions and how we should go about how we should approach commissions and making sure that it is not a certain percentage of our trades, etc., etc. So the thing I like to address once and for all is that the truth is you cannot escape commissions. Commissions are like tax, government tax. You cannot escape them. All right, let's put it into another perspective. All right, sometimes you buy stocks that have P of 100 or maybe negative P, like companies like, for example, Square or maybe MongoDB or if I'm wrong, Twilio, I think might have a negative P too. And why? Why do we do it? Well, the reason we do it is because we believe our analysis on that company suggests that the stock price is going to go higher, it's going to skyrocket maybe for the next few days or the next few months or the potential years. And that is the reason why we entered in these specific stocks. Now, these companies are overvalued. We know it's overvalued, but we still enter. All right. So in that sense, right? If we ourselves are able to look past this overvalue and buy the stocks, why not look past these commissions and buy into the stocks? All right. So let me just elaborate more on it. Let's just say, right, you got a very, very small account and you just want to buy one share of a stock, one share. All right, just want to buy one share. The typical commission, if I think of swing platform or maybe your IB or etc., etc., but a typical one will be around $5. You calculate that the commission is rather expensive because it takes around 5% of the capital for example, the stock's $100, it takes around 5% of your capital. So we thought about it, it's expensive, so you didn't buy it. All right. But what happened was that over the next few days, next few months, stock price rallied $30 to $40, and over the next few years, stock price actually rallied $100 to $200. Now, how much did that saving, because you didn't want to buy that commission, right? You didn't want to spend $5 for commission. How much did that $5 actually help you make? But in fact, the $5 actually cost you $100 to $200 in profits because you were reluctant to buy the shares and you wanted to save that $5 and that's why you didn't buy, and stock price went up, so you missed the opportunity because of that $5. The big misconception we have is that we often see stock price as a commission, as a cost. But the thing is that we should never view buying stocks plus the commission as expense. We should always look at it as an asset, a money-making asset that can actually generate us upside profits. All right? It is the same exact logic as why we are willing to pay money to learn from the gurus, all right, or the experts, the stock market experts, or why on how to enter the specific stocks and everything. I mean, all these courses are not cheap, right? It's actually, but they are quality courses. They are very, very good courses, and that's why we are willing to pay money to learn from them. All right, so in summary, we need to train ourselves to see the big picture, all right, and not to be fixated on the small cost that are actually assets that can push you further and help you generate more profits in the future. All right, so I hope you guys actually learned something from this video, this recording, and if you do, don't forget to actually like my video. If you're watching on YouTube, please help me share this video around and let's help to spread the knowledge about commissions, right? Don't get fixated on the price of the commission. Be more focused on upside profits you could have entered, you could have actually made by entering to that position. All right. So thank you very much. Bye bye.